Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. Today I am going to discuss about unit number 2, Production and Material Management. Okay, it is a continuation part of a lecture number 9. In this lecture I am going to discuss what is PPC, needs of PPC, functions and steps of production planning control. Okay, so these concepts I am going to discuss. So first, what is PPC? Okay, so PPC means the highest efficiency in the production can be obtained by manufacturing the product, okay, in a required quantity by required quality at a required time by the cheapest method to attain the target. Management involves production planning and control, the tool that coordinates all the manufacturing activities. Okay, so operations are performed accordance with the details set in the production plans only. Okay, so PPC is the what? It is a control initiative and it supervises the operations with the aid of control mechanism that feedback information about the progress of the work to be controlled. Okay, it is responsible for adjusting, modifying and redefining the plans and targets in order to attain the group goals. Okay, so the PPC can also be defined as the production planning and control may be defined as the direction and coordination of the firm's materials and physical facilities towards the attainment of prescribed production goals in the most efficient available way. Okay, that is known as a what? Production planning and control. Okay, so next, needs of PPC. Okay, so needs of PPC, their production planning control, why we need. Okay, in a present economic scenario of the India involves a competitiveness in the manufacturing to be a competition. Indian industries have to be streamlined the production activities and attain the maximum utilization of the resources to enhance the productivity or increase the productivity. PPC serves as a useful tool to coordinate activities of the production system by the proper planning and control systems. Okay, so PPC needed because effective in order to utilize the all the resources available. Okay, so next one, to achieve the production objectives and respect to the quality, quantity, cost, time lines of deliveries. Okay, so next one, to obtain the uninterrupted production flow in order to meet the customer varied demands with respect to the quality and committed delivery schedules. Okay, so to help the company to provide the good quality products to the customers on the continuous basis at the competitive rates. Okay, so we need PPC. Okay, next one, functions or steps of production planning and control. So there will be certain functions. Okay, first one, planning includes materials, methods, machines, equipments, which machineries I have to invest. Okay, I have to invest which material I have to buy, which equipments I have to buy. That one should be planned first. After that, routing. Okay, routing involves the workflow in the plant. Okay, how to route the materials, raw materials. Okay, there will be temporary storage locations for the raw materials, components and the material handlings. It includes deciding the lot quantity for the production according to the machine capacities, depending about inventory and quality programs to be carried out, supplying the raw material standards, finished parts and semi-finished parts to the required places according to the design plan production. Okay, there will be a preparing the route sheet which indicates the following. Okay, so means there will be a part name and its number, material required will be there, start and finish times. Okay, so machines and equipments required in a sequence and quality aspects. So next, estimating will be there. This function which includes the operation analysis, which methods and routing as well as the work measurement in order to set up a performance standards for the operations to be carried out. Okay, so next one, loading and scheduling. Machines have to be loaded according to their capability to perform the given task according to the method and routines only. Okay, so next one, dispatching. Dispatching, it concerned with the execution of the plan functions. It authorizes the start of production operations by releasing or realizing the materials, components, tools, fixtures and instruction sheets to the operations and ensures that material movement is carried out according to the planned route, sheets and schedules. Okay, so next one, expediting or a follow-up progress. Okay, it is a function of close progress of the work. Okay, close observation on the work. Dispatching initiates the execution of the production plans, whereas to follow maintain them and looks them until their successful completion of the work. Okay, which includes the keep close observation scheduling. Okay, means we have to keep the observation on the work according to the schedule. Okay, we have to keep the observation on the what schedule plan and work. Okay, so that you can complete the work as soon as possible. Okay, now next one, there will be a controlling. Okay, controlling means it involves the inspection and evaluation. Okay, so means you are going to monitor the entire process or entire production process in the industry. Okay, that is the function of the production planning and control. In this session we have discussed needs of PPC, why we need PPC, production planning and control. Okay, so and also the functions and the functions or steps of the production planning and control. Okay, so thank you.